You are going to love the 2023 Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the Trailblazer. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, front wheel drive, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.